Is your Aston Martin key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective way to restore full functionality, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This tutorial will guide you through the easy DIY process. Most Aston Martin key fobs use a 3V CR2032 lithium battery. Some older models might use CR2025. Check your key fob's label or owner's manual to confirm the correct battery type for your specific model. Using the wrong battery can lead to malfunctions. You'll only need a few simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, a new CR2032 or CR2025 battery, and optionally, a pair of tweezers. Make sure to use a plastic pry tool or wrap the screwdriver head in tape to protect the plastic casing of the key fob. Flip the key fob over. Locate the seam or release button, typically a small notch or clip. Gently pry the two halves apart using your screwdriver or pry tool. Be cautious of internal clips and avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Use tweezers for easier and safer handling to avoid damaging components. Before removing, note the battery's orientation with the positive side facing up. This is crucial for correctly installing the new battery in the same position. Now for step 3, inserting the new battery. Place the replacement battery into the compartment with the positive side facing up, as indicated by the plus symbol. Ensure the battery sits securely in place to maintain proper contact. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely. Test the key fob's functions, like lock, unlock, and panic alarm, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and make sure it's seated properly. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, consult your vehicle's manual for resyncing instructions. Some models require a specific ignition cycle procedure, where you turn the key to the on position and press the buttons as instructed. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. Lithium batteries contain hazardous materials and should not be thrown in regular trash. For Valhalla models, the Aston Martin app can monitor your key fob's battery health and send notifications when it's running low. If issues continue after following these steps, seek professional assistance from an authorized Aston Martin dealer for reprogramming or repair.